So in this video, I am going to walk you guys through the mindset of managing cash flow while launching a new product, as well as placing the reorder of the current product that you are selling right now at the same time. Hi, my name is Sammy, and if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I share awesome tips and tricks, and I also share the knowledge that I learned from making mistakes, and I share them so that you guys can avoid making those mistakes and get a successful business running. So if you are bad at cash flow management, then you should learn it. Otherwise, it will cost you very expensive in your Amazon FBA business. So let's just understand the time frame and how and when you should pay to your supplier and how that payment method works. So after we confirm the order with the factory, we send them a 30% advance. And after the lead time, which is the time required for production, finishes, then we pay the rest 70% to the factory. So suppose your factory takes 20 to 30 days to manufacture 1000 pieces of a product. Then after that 20 to 30 days, we pay the rest 70% to them. So you get 30 days to gather the amount that you need to pay for the 70% remaining. So you get 30 days after paying the 30% advance to gather the amount that you need to pay the rest 70% to your factory. Now, why I say gather? Because Amazon pays you every 7 days. So now you have gathered the 70% amount that you need to pay from the weekly payments that you received from Amazon. Now there might be some delay while making the payment of the 70%, if the weekly payment is not sufficient to pay the 70%, and it may happen that you need 1 or 2 more weeks, and then you will have the full amount to pay to the factory. So these delays can happen, and it is okay with every factories. Now your products are shipped, and the vessel will take around 30 days to reach Indian port. And when the vessel reached Indian port, then you have to pay the custom duty, which is after 30 days of paying the rest 70%. So now if you ask me, will I get enough money from the sales? Yes, you will get it, because we are ordering 3 months worth of inventory, a little more than 3 months worth of inventory. So we are ordering inventories, so there will be no issues. So if you guys watch the past videos, then I have told that we order inventories that will last for 3 months. And now at the stage of paying the custom duty, our inventory is at a level that is reserved for the 3rd month. And now you received your products, and almost all payments are completed except the shipping agent's charge. So now why I told to order inventories that will last for a little more than 3 months? Just to adjust if there is some delays with the shipping or any unfavorable conditions. So we will pay to the shipping agent after around 15 to 20 days of receiving the product. And where will we get the money from? So we will get the money from the inventory that was reserved for the last month of the 3-month stock. And now there will be no issues with the cash flow, as your profits will be adding up too. So now if you are thinking to launch the next product, then make sure you place the order of the new product after around 30 to 40 days of placing the reorder and paying the 30% advance for the reorder of the inventory that you are currently selling. Now if you manage to find some outside capitals, then you can place the order of both of the products at the same time. Now if you are planning to get an outside funding from a bank loan or anywhere else, then what you have to make sure is you consider the EMIs or the interests or the profit shares on the basis of the sales of your first product, as your first product is already proven and it has now become a stable source of income which can pay your EMIs or profit shares. So why I asked you to wait for 30 to 40 days and then place the order? Because if you wait for 30 to 40 days after paying the 30% advance for the reorder, then it will take around 10 to 15 days more to reach at your place, and by that time the production of the new product that you are planning to launch will also finish, and the inventory that you have reordered will be back in stock to support the cash flow, and this way the cycle will just carry on. What I will suggest is, do not spend your profits until you launch 3 or 4 products successfully, because until that you need a cash support, and after that you can definitely take a cut from your profit and pay yourself. And Amazon will also offer you loan if you sell quite good and consistently. So don't worry, just take the first step and keep focused and determined towards achieving your goal, and be confident that you can achieve it. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end.